Today we're here to unbox the new Bosch 5100 series panoramic cameras. These cameras come in 4 varieties. There's 2 interior varieties, it's 6 megapixel and 12 megapixel. And there's 2 exterior varieties with IR, 6 megapixel and 12 megapixel. So today we have the 12 megapixel for an example. However, the 6 and the 12 megapixel unboxing will be exactly the same. There's no difference in the packaging or what's included in the package.
Sounds good. Let's take a look at the unboxing for the indoors 12 megapixel camera that we have here, Kevin.
Yeah, sure. So as Brad said, this is the 12 megapixel indoor camera without IR.
So as we open this up, first thing you're going to see as Kevin pulls this out is our normal bag of documentation and whatnot. We'll take a look at that here. So we have an Allen key as normal. We have some documentation here. It's going to be quick install guides. You're going to have some stickers here for MAC address, serial number, QR code for documentation, stickers on camera, however you need to do that. You're also going to have a mounting template for the camera itself. Next thing you're going to see is the actual camera with protective film. So once that's removed, it's ready to go. It's going to be a fixed lens. And finally, you're going to have a housing for the camera itself. That completes the unboxing for the indoor models. Next, we're going to get into the outdoor with IR. So once again, as we open this up, we're going to have a bag full of goodies. This one's going to be slightly different just because it is an outdoor model. You're going to have, just like before, stickers, quick install guides, Allen key. This time, though, you are going to have some Molex connectors for the device because you will have power options, inputs, stuff like that. And then you're going to have a punch through. The nice thing about this is you can have a terminated cable connect on here and punch through the NTP fitting that's on the device housing. Next thing is we're going to have a mounting plate. Much like some of the other videos that you've seen, this mounting plate is really helpful with getting your mounting holes lined up for square boxes, standard, double, single gang type boxes that you're going to be mounting this to. So very, very helpful. You don't need a separate template or anything like that. It's right here on the mounting plate. Next in the box is the camera itself. Again, protective sealing over the lens. So everything is on here. You'll see some terminations here. This is going to be where the housing will fit on. That's going to power the IR illuminators that are on that it's part of the housing, not part of this camera piece. These NTP fittings here is where that would punch through that I mentioned earlier. Finally, we have the housing itself. Again, protective film, so that will come off. Make sure that you do remove all of this prior to putting it on the camera. And that's just going to be an easy fit here. And this is what it'll look like once it's installed. Allen key to tighten it up. So that completes our unboxing of the indoor and outdoor 5100 series panoramics. If you have any questions, please email us at support@midchest.com.